This ties back to the writer's purpose. In order to teach our readers, we can't be general or vague about the topic. This isn't just a skill we teach after students are able to write words and sentences. We teach our youngest writers how to draw what they know about a topic. Model the importance of including close-up and tiny details about the topic. Just as important as providing many details, the writer has to include accurate ones. Describe the writer as the teacher. He's teaching the reader about this topic, and it has to be the correct information. This requires mini lessons on how to draw accurate sizes and shapes, and the value of using true-to-life colors in our pictorial writings. If the topic is a person, teach students how to draw people with shapes, rather than stick people. Explain that they can convey more information about the topic by adding clothing and accessories that accurately depict this individual. And when students are ready to include even more details in their informative drawings, teach them how to add facts about the environment, the setting, or the habitat where this topic resides. Remember, all this pictorial writing we are doing is only temporary. What we're really teaching students is how to communicate informatively, even before they write letters, words, and sentences. Then, when phonics and sentence sense kick in, students already know the important ingredients relevant within all informative writing. While we're not aiming to create artists, the act of drawing does prove that the student is thinking. He's demonstrating that he knows about the topic. And the more the student draws with details, the more he'll be able to label. While we do have to teach students how to write sentences, the informative writing standard does not reference any sentence-level skills. Let's look at a couple grade-level standards. See? There's no mention of complete sentences, capitalization, punctuation, grammar, mechanics, or spelling in any of these. Teaching informative writing is not dependent on students writing sentences. But what does stand out are 4 common ingredients that appear across the grade level expectations. These indicate that informative writing includes introducing the topic or text, providing lots of facts and details, organizing the information, and concluding or closing the writing. By targeting these essential skills when teaching informative writing, we take the next step toward building better writers.